Hello friends, welcome to the Gadget Crunchie. Today I will show the review of i13 5.0 TWS. You can see in the video. So I will review of about this AirPods. Here you can see the box on the all the detail about it. One of my friend bought the two AirPods same from the Daraz application at the price of 700 something. So he gave me the this one airpod to the give the review on my YouTube channel. So I will give you the review about it, so you can see. I will open and you can see the AirPods. Now I will continue the video, and after that when opening, so you can see here the new packing of the AirPods. And I take the one AirPod and show you how to the connect to the and any Android phone. So here is only one cable and the one transcript about it, how to use it the AirPods. You can see the this cable to you charge your AirPods. Now I leave it and show the review of the AirPods. Firstly, I connect the first AirPod to the Android. Here is I open and put out this AirPod, and you can see it's automatically on. Now I connect to the one AirPod. Firstly, I will show you the this is the charging port, and here you can put inside the cable and you can charge your AirPods. So firstly I connect this, and I will show in the video how to connect the Android phone. Now you can see this is Android phone. I open the Bluetooth device, and here you can see the device name. Firstly set this all the settings, and you can see this is connect, and I will show the charging battery. This is the 100% fully charged without charging, because when I take from the box, and you can see here is fully charged. Now this is connected, and I will check the sound at I tell about the how is this the sound. Now I will the second AirPod the left side of connect to the Android phone, and I will show you this is how much charged when take out from the AirPod box. So both of the left and right side of the AirPods are fully charged 100%. You watched in the video both the AirPods. Now you can see this is the all all the box and the AirPod device. I checked the sound. It is very good sounds quality and battery timing. So if you want to purchase, so you can go to the Draz application. You can purchase from the Draz application. So it is nice, and give the click on the subscribe button and like the video. Thank you friends.